Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Murf AI slow processing problems, step by step. So if voice generation takes too long, projects keep loading slowly, or audio processing gets stuck, yeah, this guide will help you speed things up and make Murf AI work much smoother. First, make sure your internet connection is stable and fast enough. Murf AI relies heavily on cloud processing, so weak internet can slow everything down. Next, refresh the Murf AI page and reopen the project. So, temporary browser glitches can sometimes slow down audio generation. If your script is very long, try breaking it into smaller sections before generating the voiceover. I mean, huge text blocks can take much longer to process. Projects with large videos, images, or multiple audio tracks can slow Murf AI down. Removing unnecessary media can improve performance. Sometimes the slowdown isn't caused by your device at all. Yeah, Murf AI servers can occasionally experience maintenance or high traffic. If nothing works, contact Murf AI support directly and explain the issue with screenshots if possible. Support can often detect account-specific processing problems faster, and that's basically how to fix Murf AI slow processing problems from start to finish. After trying these fixes, voice generation and project loading should feel much faster and smoother.